You might think that a dandelion is a pretty flower. Other people might think that a dandelion is an ugly weed. That's an opinion. You're just saying what your preference is. Scientists, however, like to work with facts. Scientists like to use data. That's information that's collected. And then when the scientists get the data, they like to measure it and weigh it. The scientists use what's called a unit measure in order to take the data and do a conversion factor. Wow, that's a lot of terms. Let's take the measure of time. We have minutes, hours, days, weeks, years. Those all give us an idea of time. But it's different in the amounts. 1 minute moves the big hand one little dash over. 1 hour, the big hand moves completely around the clock one time. And if we've got 1 day, this hand has to travel round and round and round the clock 24 times. So you now can understand that a minute is a different amount of time than a day. A week is even more, and a year, lots and lots of times around the clock to get a year. When scientists use this kind of math, they sometimes like to figure out how many minutes are in a day or how many minutes are in a week. Then they would need something called the conversion factor. The conversion factor helps us understand the differences in the amounts of time, because if you have a lot of minutes, you will get an hour.